Okay. Okay. So now you can share.
Okay, give me 1 second.
So is it HA2 or LA2?
LA2.
LA2 or LA3, sorry.
LA3 actually, sorry, LA3.
Okay, yeah.
Okay, can you see it?
Maybe I have to stop mine. Okay. You start sharing, but I haven't received anything yet.
Nothing yet?
Yeah. So tell me first, did you, so you want to share with me the document itself or the coding?
I shared with you the PDF file. I just wanted to show you what I have so far because there's something that's causing me some trouble.
Sure. Yeah. Okay.
Let me try sharing it again.
So, and typically wireless will not, if you are connecting to the internet with a, or to your router with a wireless, I think you will face some difficulty in the sharing.
I see. Can you see it now or no?
No, no. I see that you started sharing, but I see nothing. So give it, give it a few whiles. I mean, sometimes it take a few seconds to be able to
Okay,
receive
gotcha.
something. Okay,
Okay.
so just open it and leave it until we talk about it. Because I also have the file, so I'm able to go through it with you until it really shares something. Okay,
Okay.
now I can see it. Yeah,
You can
perfect.
see my
Yeah,
mouse moving too? Okay,
yes,
gotcha.
yes, yes.
Okay, so basically, um, this was a continuation of the last lab, and for the most part, I understand everything. Like this init one, setting all the self stuff was the same as last time. This one was the same, this as well. This age one, I'm having some issue with. So you see at the bottom right here.
Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm. Okay, that's interesting.
So the thing is, when I run this code, sometimes it works, sometimes it doesn't. I
Oh,
can I can
okay.
show you right now. Look.
Yeah,
So
but give me a second first. Let me try
sure,
to understand a few things from you. So
sure.
I see that you are converting your input before you store it in the class uh, into an integer. Can I know why? Can you go up to the init, please? The constructor of the class.
Yes, right here.
Okay.
So you're talking
Uh,
about this right here.
yeah. Well, this you are converting that to string, but I'm
Yes.
just wondering,
So
is it a
uh,
requirement?
I didn't have it like this. I saw that in my professor released a video. They did it like this. Like it was an example. I didn't have it like this though. I don't think it's necessary.
Okay. Yeah,
So I
it's
can
fine.
take it out.
Definitely, if you are passing something that is between double quotation, is for 100%. It is
Yeah, that was another one I wanted to ask you because that doesn't it's not necessary. So I was just
no,
wondering too.
that's an extra. So again, I expect that your staff should guide you to the best performance of the code, and that is against the best performance. So extra code means extra processing power, and it's useless. I mean, if it is needed, yes, but in this
Yes,
case, no.
it's not. Okay, yeah. All
Okay,
right.
so let's
So,
go down.
uh-huh.
Yeah,
Yeah.
let's go back to the area that you are having trouble
Yes,
with.
right here.
Mhm.
Okay, so let me just show you.
Okay, so
Yeah,
let us
so you
have.
see right here, it ran.
Mhm.
Now it ran right here perfectly, but if I run it again, probably won't run.
So can we look at the error itself? Can you run again? Let's
Yes,
see. Where is exactly the error?
right
Okay.
here at the bottom. And it's has to do with this isn't my code, of course. This is the
Yes,
from
the
my
testing code. Yes, I understand.
yes. Yeah.
So that is line 123.
123, yes, right here.
Okay, so it doesn't accept that you. Hmm. So okay, type error. Employee age takes one position argument, but three were given. That's interesting. Are you sure? Wait, wait. Actually, is that the same testing code that was given to you? Because I know for sure that the age is specifically the age requirement changed uh, from 2 or 3 parameters to no parameters at all. Can you
Give me
please
one sec.
check?
I can confirm.
Yes, please. Yeah, it doesn't take any inputs. I'm sure.
Let's see.
So that's the first page. You go to the fourth entry on the table for the methods,
Yeah,
and you
so this,
see input doesn't have it. Actually, doesn't have input. I wonder why it even run. It shouldn't even
okay,
run for once.
you know
So
what? Let's,
you need just to copy the testing code that was given in the.
yeah, so I think I did do that. Let's see. Okay, I think it should run now. Oh, okay.
So that's a different error, but
I
uh,
think it is this one. Yeah, this is the correct
testing code. Yeah.
yeah. Okay.
Okay.
I guess I have to fix some of these okay, can retire.
Yes.
Please. Okay.
So
Let me
okay.
just fix the name.
Yeah, sure.
Hmm, underscore, hmm, 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 hmm.
So let me teach you something. So if you so
Yes.
you are trying to test a few things. So now can I look at the get job description function, a method? Okay.
Yes, this one. Okay.
There is an error there, right? So
Yes.
even if you don't want to write anything here, you don't want to return the correct thing, you are not ready yet to implement the function, I would say just write pass, pass. So even instead of returning anything, just write pass. Okay. So
Where? Like
so
here you write
just
pass?
yes, but of
Okay.
course this yes. So if you write pass and inside the for loop, inside an if statement, inside the method of a class, it will just run. It will call and run without an error. Okay.
Okay.
So this
I
is a
see.
way for you to delay the implementation until you settle things in the order that you want.
Okay, that makes sense.
Okay.
So
Um,
did you want me to put it in right now?
you can try it right now, but the most important that so actually the problem is in the naming itself. So I think
Yes. So
you have
I
to
had
implement set name. Yes.
yes, so let me just fix that. Okay, it seems to be working now.
Okay.
Okay, so based I just wanted to make sure with you based off of the PDF that I sent that everything looks fine over here because uh I saw some the stuff that I have commented this one is from my last example so don't worry about that but I just wanted to make sure with you.
So so the thing here that in retire, I think there is some kind of trick here because no, not the retire one, the age one. Actually, the age calculation is not. I think you still have to use the previous one, except that you need to modify your formula so that you subtract. I think you did subtract -1 in the previous formula. Let me.
Yes.
Okay, so you need to do that, except that you don't have to use. Yeah, okay. So you're using already the current year from. I mean the
Yeah,
class
so
class variable.
yeah, yes, exactly. So I had to use set it with the class variable this time.
Yes, okay. But I think you still need to modify something because from what you write, yeah, okay. I think yes, you do it correct way. Yes.
Okay. So let's see if this the way they had it like this is fine, right? So if the birth month under self is greater than the current month under employee, because current month isn't defined under self, of course, then the age increments -1, right?
Yes, exactly. Yes, yes,
Okay, okay. I
and
just
then you
wanted to.
can. Yeah, so it is 100% true that maybe this is not the most how to say short method to implement that, but you do it in a perfect way. I mean, that's more even than what I wanted. So yeah, that looks great.
Okay, because this is this kind of way that over here, all of this stuff does make sense to me right now. Like everything over here in this code does make sense.
Okay,
Okay,
and
but actually no, this right here, she used this is instance in our she released a video and she told us to use this, right? I wanted to ask you about is instance.
that's interesting. Is instance. Um, mhm. So that is let me see here, self equal object return true. Okay, instance of employee. So he wanted to make sure that the object that you are passing is actually an employee object, not another object. Okay.
Yes.
So it's a type. Well, I imagine that you will use a type. I mean, you already have it in your class, right? You use a type and then you pass it something, and then so if you test here, um, if you say type and then you put um in between the brackets employee,
Like this.
yes, put employee.
1 second. Employee.
Okay, but again, not employee, sorry. You have to put the object that you passed, the object OPG.
OBG, yeah.
Okay, just remove employee. No, just remove employee, put object instead.
Okay.
Okay, and then you put equal. Wait, you put after the bracket equal,
After.
equal. No. Inside. So before the last bracket.
Okay.
Yes. Okay. Equal, and
Just
you
one?
write yes. No, two, because this is the equality test.
Yes.
So
Not setting it
employee.
towards this. Okay.
Yeah. So you test. You put employee, the name of the class itself, with a capital. Yes, and then you have to indent that to be inside the definition, and you have to put it before the return false. So move this print statement, move it to the top of the method equal employee. I mean, no, inside the method itself.
Okay. Right here.
No, like I mean, you have to go up to put it before the line 194.
Right here.
Yes, exactly. Yes.
All right. Did you
Okay.
want me to run it now?
Yes. Yes, please run. So let's have a look. Well, you have to add something, else we will never know which true is that. Actually, it is true. So it is showing us true, but go to the print statement, change it a bit, and go to line 194. Line 194. 194.
194?
No, sorry. Again, go up again. And
Okay.
that's one. Is it 164? 104. Yeah.
04. Yeah, right here.
So you put any text, you put equality test or type test in between double quotation before the type object.
Okay.
Put
Before here.
double, yes, put double quotation, and you put type test.
Like this.
Yes, put inside type test.
Type test.
Okay, and do you know what to put after you put the double quotation?
Like this.
Yes, exactly. Then you run.
Let's see.
Search for the type test.
Yeah. Right
Go
there.
up. Okay.
Right here.
So I mean, that's another method. Yes, it's
So
so
this
you
says that So it's saying that the type of the object is equal to employee. That's why it's saying true.
Yes, yes,
Gotcha.
yes,
Okay.
exactly.
Because
So
we just want to make sure that the two objects are equal. That's the purpose of this.
yes,
Um,
but this does not test. So this is different types of tests that you're performing here.
okay.
One type of test that you're performing here. Let me see. So one type of test that you're performing is that you are first checking that the object passed here is actually of type employee. And another type of test that you are checking that this is not exactly the same object. So if it is exactly the same object, then should return true. Do you
Okay.
know what this test actually?
Which test are you talking about?
I mean this line, this line.
This one, yes. The one that
Okay.
you're, yeah.
So
If
what the
self, that's seeing if the two objects are equal.
yeah, but how he performs it?
What do you
Okay.
mean?
Okay. Easy, easy. Go here. Okay.
Yes.
Put for me two print statement. Okay. And one print statement is printing self, and another print
Right?
statement. Okay. Yeah. I wanted it up here, but okay. Never mind. Just
Where did you want it?
uh, here. Sorry. Yeah. Let me see. Let me remove this. Okay. I wanted it here. Is it
Okay.
clear?
There, right?
Yes, exactly. So
Okay. What did you print what?
print self and on another line print object.
Okay.
But you have to put some kind of text to be able to identify that
Okay.
from
Yeah, sure, sure, sure.
okay.
Let's
So
see.
yeah, put something in between double
Yeah.
quotation and
One.
test object and test self should be fine.
Okay, that's fine too. And then let me do the comma. Okay. Right here, and then up here as well.
This is quite strange. It should print something different. Did you implement the underscore str?
Yes, it is. Oh, right here.
That's quite strange because when you print, maybe okay, I understand. And maybe if you print self, maybe it will not print anything. Okay, that's clear. You only print it from outside. Yes, it will from outside the class. It will print something. But what is strange to me is that when you print object, it doesn't print anything. So show me again test object how it looks like.
Sure. Test object. Test objects right here.
Ah, okay. So wait, I think that's so. What is under it? Do you see? Do you notice what is under? Actually, sorry. Wait. It's just because you put them in new lines. Go up to the implementation of your string. Let me see how it looks like. Did you put
Sure.
a slash n at the start? Ah, yeah, you put slash n at the start. So can you please remove that first? I want to confirm my finding. Okay. Can you run again?
Yes, I just did. Where did it go? Okay, right here.
So now when you remove the slash n, so what I expected in the start when you first run that I would find something beside the test object. But when I didn't see anything beside it, then I thought maybe something is wrong. It should print something. But so anyhow,
Uh-huh.
I want you to notice here when you try to print the object itself, like using the print statement, it will actually go to execute what you have done in this what you have defined here.
Uh-huh.
Okay. So, and when you try to print self, okay, like here,
Yes.
it will also go to print whatever output from here. So you will find them, what you define here
Uh-huh.
is actually printed here.
I see.
And
Okay.
and it will compare the output from here to the output from here, and based on that it will decide it's both strings that you define is totally equal or not. So
Okay.
if so definitely if you don't change this, and you put the name is the same, ID is the same, and the birth year is the same, so both of them will definitely be equal. You see, at least as a start here. So you see here,
Yes.
they are totally equal. So he's comparing string to a string, just in short. So
Yes.
this equality test that you are doing is just testing whatever output that you get from underscore str.
Okay.
Okay, does this
Yes.
make sense to you? So because if you don't know what you are testing, then I think it doesn't make sense. You're not able to use it, or
Correct.
even modify it.
Yeah.
Okay, so it makes sense so
It
far.
does.
Okay, can you go down again to the same equality? So okay, again, like what you are seeing me doing here, not necessarily all the time that you know what is happening inside the code. Your print command is always your support and your friend. You're only a friend that you have. Okay,
Yeah,
so
because it lets you know how your function, if it's running properly.
exactly, and there is ways that you can later try to implement. I will let you know later, but not our issue here. That
Okay.
you are able to always eh, either print or hide all the print statement that you use for testing. Because certain print statement, then you need to go to every line that you put in print statement for troubleshooting, then you need to go and comment it or even remove it. But there is ways that you can put a flag, one flag, and you put 1 or 0 on that flag, and this flag is just a variable that carry 1 or 0 or even true or false.
Uh-huh.
And you call this debugging flag. Okay,
Yes.
so you put that, you initialize it, and you put it as a class variable, for example here, or even put it on the main on the main function that you are putting, and then you put it either equal 1 or 0. So either you are running troubleshooting now, or you're not running. So if it's running, then you ask it to always check before it do the print. So that is the next step that we can look into. But I'm just telling you, this is a way that you don't have to go through all your code. If your code is 1,000 lines, then it doesn't make sense that you go through all the lines and you have to disable all of them and disable all the print statements.
Okay.
Okay,
All right.
That's a way of doing it. But just to give you an example, it's not a way to do it, but just to go above the line 106.
Yes.
Okay, write an if statement, if debugging underscore flag.
Uh-huh.
Okay, and then just put it inside brackets and close it, and yeah, I mean put the debugging flag variable name
Oh.
inside the brackets. Yeah.
Uh-huh.
Okay, and then indent the print statement under it. Okay, yeah, perfect. And then you have to put the employee class name before the variable,
Before right here.
before the debugging flag variable.
Okay. So if employee
No, inside the bracket.
run it
Yes,
through here.
exactly.
Okay.
Yes.
And then equals, right?
Dot. dot. Okay, so you have done that, right? So you go up into the class variable where you define the current year and current months.
Okay, sure. Right here.
You know, go up more.
All the way up. I did that over here.
Yes, exactly. So define a debugging flag and put it equal 1.
Okay. Now let's run it.
Yes, run it.
Okay.
So you have to just make sure that the spelling is correct only. So search for the test object.
Right here, test object.
Okay, change now to 0. Change the debugging flag to become 0. Go up.
Yeah, sure.
Yep. So find the test, but you will not find the
test object isn't here. You're right.
Yeah, it is here, the test object. Yes, the test object, no, it's not here anymore. So
yes.
So what I want to say is that using a single variable inside your code, you can start to off all the printing. But this is not the full implementation of the way, but I'm just giving you an example. So if you put your if statement, all your print statements that you are using to troubleshooting, you put it under one single if statement, like you have done in the one that you used just now, the test object.
Oh, okay. So what you're trying to say is, when you're running a code, you want to see if it works, you just put an if statement there, put some print statements, and then you can figure out what's wrong.
Exactly. And then when you don't want it anymore and you want to pass the code to your instructor, then you set the debugging flag equal 0. Then all the print statement, the unnecessary print statements will not print anymore. And actually that also will tell them that you are doing something. You are troubleshooting. You are doing the code yourself. You are testing the code. You're not copying it. That's a proof that you are. I mean,
yes,
they see what you are doing. But again, it will comply to the output that they want, because only the print statements that they requested will appear.
Yes, exactly.
Okay.
So honestly, this whole LA thing, the rest of it I could do it myself, because you explained the questions and everything that I needed answered.
Yeah, sure. But let me add one thing. So here it is true. The only trick that I can see is what you have done here. But actually, I think what they are trying to do with you here is that they try to take you to another ready-made functions in a way that, how to say, let me share that with you, please.
Okay.
So actually, it is something similar to that. So this is the kind of functions that you are able to define and implement. It's not is I mean, so they are taking it. You are slowly to that. So now you define your own. So we have to stop now and we have to enter again, same like every time.
Okay, sure.